Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover removed apps from the home screen on your iPhone. Now, it could have easily happened, but there are two options or two possibilities, so I'm going to cover all of them. The first one is that you remove it from the home screen only. For example, you have an app like a clock. So it could have happened that you just held down on it like this, just clicked on remove home screen or remove clock, and you just click on this option, remove from home screen. So it disappeared, you don't have it anywhere, you scroll through all of your icons, you don't find it. Now in this case, what you have to do to bring it back is to scroll all the way to the right. So you can see I have 4 pages here currently available. Right now I'm on the second one. So if I scroll all the way to the right, and even past that, I will get to the app library, which is a section of the iOS where everything is put together in terms of apps. So every single app is going to be here. Here, you cannot hide anything from here. Everything's just going to be there. So from the suggestions, you can already see that the clock app is right here. But you may not get it as a suggestion, which is understandable. In that case, you can also find it inside of the utilities. So inside of these utility folders, you can find it in here. And once you find it, all you have to do to revert it or to recover it is to hold down on it and simply bring it back to where it was before. So I believe it was somewhere around in here. So yes, we can bring it back, hit done. Now we have successfully recovered the clock app. Also, if you don't find it within any of the folders, I mean, it is certainly there, it just cannot disappear, but easier way to find it is just click on the search bar at the top, which is going to sort everything alphabetically in a list, which is very useful. You can of course use your keyboard to look up the clock if you want, or use the letters on the right side to go through it, and you can get to the C. And for example, the C already shows you that, yeah, the clock is here. And from here, you can also just grab it and add it anywhere. So this is another possibility. However, what could have happened is that you didn't click the remove from home screen. So let me show it to you once again. You, for example, removed the app, but you didn't click the remove from home screen, but instead you deleted it entirely. In this case, when you deleted it, it disappears from the home screen, but it's no longer available in the utilities folder. It's not available in the app library anymore. So this is kind of annoying. However, you can still recover the app, and you can do it fairly easily. In this case, what you have to do is to open up the App Store like this, wait for it to load up, and go to the search bar at the top like this, and just look up clock. Look up the basic name of the app like this. Wait for it to show up, and you can see clock is this first one right here. It's been developed by Apple. There is the cloud right here, so I have already had it in the past. So yeah, it is apparently this app. So just click on it. It's just going to be downloaded back to your phone. So just wait for the process to go through. It's like downloading a third-party app, even though it's from Apple, right? So you can open it, and it already appeared in the recently added. It appeared in the utilities as well, and it also appeared on the home screen. So I can bring it back. I have it here as much as I want, and this is how you can recover deleted apps. So this was the second method. So that's basically all that there is to know about it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, but most definitely check out the Foxtecc educational platform. It's going to be linked down below in the description. It is free to join, and inside you can watch many different courses on the dynamic island, for example, on iPhones, in-depth iPhone guides for basically most of the apps, and constantly adding more. So definitely go ahead and join right now. I'll wait for you inside. It is free to do so. So what are you waiting for, right? Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you guys later.